In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AOL my homepage. We're going to do this in Google Chrome, and we'll use Chrome's startup settings to make sure AOL opens automatically every time you launch the browser. This is the most reliable way to get that classic homepage experience in Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in Chrome and not another browser, since the menus we're about to use are specific to Chrome. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Chrome settings in a new tab. If you don't see settings right away, scroll a bit in the menu and it will be there. On the settings page, glance over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does when it first opens. It's different from your default search engine, and it's different from your bookmarks. This specifically tells Chrome which page or pages should appear as soon as the browser starts. In the On Startup section, select the option labeled Open a specific page or set of pages. You might also see options like Open the new tab page, or Continue where you left off. For our goal of making AOL your home page, you want the specific pages option, so Chrome always starts with AOL, no matter what you were doing previously. Now click Add a new page. A small box will appear asking for a site address. Type www.aol.com. You can also enter https www.aol.com if you prefer. Chrome will handle either. Double-check for typos to make sure the page loads correctly. Then confirm by clicking Add or Save, depending on what you see. That's it. From now on, the next time you open Chrome, it will automatically load AOL. If you already had other startup pages listed, they'll open too. You can keep AOL as the only page, or you can add more pages if you like. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same On Startup section. Click the three dots next to a page to remove it, or use Edit to adjust the address. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, set this in each profile where you want AOL to open. And if Chrome is managed by a school or workplace, some settings might be locked by an administrator. You've just set AOL to open automatically whenever Chrome starts, giving you a consistent, familiar homepage every time you begin browsing.